No. Na!
Yan ang bisita niyo.
Patay na.
Yung,
Kuya,
ano pa ba mag-welcome ng bisita?
ito po yung i-welcome ko, kuya.
Eh, yan ang bisita niyo.
Patay. Come home. Tinabahan po ako, kuya. Hindi naman po takot. Takot lang po ako makagat, kuya. Gusto ko pa mabuhay, kuya. Patay. No. Umagat. Na, kuya. Napatay na.
Sunod namang tinawag ni Kuya, si Christian.
Siguraduhin mong kamustahin mo ang bisita, ha?
Yes, kuya.
Sarado ang binto.
Oh! Oh my God! Amazing! Oh my... Papasok na ba? Hello, come here. Hindi po ako takot sa mga snakes kasi po, I love animals. And I study each and every one of them. Amazing creature right here. Oh.
Si Edward mukhang hindi rin nagulat sa bisita nila.
Yes. I know, right? Yes. Sorry, me. Welcome. Oh, this is Marco. Hello. Welcome. Welcome.
My mother told me not to lie. Snakes are scary, Kuya. Snakes are my biggest fear, Kuya.
Yeah.
My heart. You can't see it, but it's like a Formula 1 car. It's
Boys, gusto niyo bang ipaklaro sila kay Marco?
Yes, Kuya. Yes. So much, Kuya. Can you have the white one? Yes. Oh.
I don't know why I'm scared. I just really don't like snakes, and I just have to put one around my neck.
Oh, Kuya.
Oh, that's so cool.
Magat.
Handle it here.
So, how should you just leave the head?
Just leave the head.
Okay.
So I can just.
We should go in?
Thank you for helping me get over my very sensible fear of snakes.
Marco! Oh! Marco! Christian.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
Wait. Okay, chill, bro. Me too.
Marco, how do you welcome your guests?
No!
Welcome, Marco! Welcome back!
I'm Marco.
Hi. And this is my friend.
Wait! Guys!
Wait.
Oh,
Lucky you.
Bakit naman ikaw? Takot ka sa snakes?
Because it's snakes. S-N-A-K-E-S.
no!
Marco! You know how snakes can kill you? Did you see the film, The Anaconda? Oh, John.
Ganyan ka ba bumati ng guest, Marco?
Marco.
I'm Marco, and nice to meet you.
No. My name is Edward.
Oh! Guys! No!
Marco,
Kuya!
Nice to meet you, boy.
Young!
Nice to meet you, okay? Nice to meet you. Boy. I'm sorry, boy.
Maya-maya pa muli silang itinatawag ni Kuya.
Marco, sit down.
No.
Sa gitna, Marco.
No, please, Kuya.
No.
Marco, bakit ayaw mo kamustahin ng mga bisita?
Okay lang po, Kuya. Masaya po sila. No.
Mayroon kang special task.
Me?
Oo,
Oh, no, Kuya.
sa tulong ng boys, ikaw ay magkaka-pictorial ngayon.
No with snakes, no.
Kasama ang bisita.
No!
So boys, paglabas nyo rito, dumiretso kayong lahat sa pool area.
Yes, Marco.
No.
Marco. Di Marco.
Never look it in the eyes, huh?
Marco, don't go stiff now.
I'm just chilling, man.
It's snakes, man. Kuya. Kuya, a snake. Nakakatawa talaga.
Francis, no.
Changing speed. Oh.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, make him run, make him run.